Hi, Mr. Vanderwall here. We're going to divide fractions and mixed numbers. We're going to start by looking at the question, how many half-cup servings are in a 4-cup container? And so this is a division problem because it's asking us to take what we have, which is 4 cups, and divide them into parts that are all a half a cup. So you'll see that what I'm doing with our 4 orange boxes, which represent 4 cups, I'm dividing them all into half-cup servings. And then in theory, each person would get a half cup serving. And so I end up with 8 servings. The division problem we're doing is actually 4 divided by 1/2. 4 being what we have, 1/2 being the size of each of our parts. How we're going to solve dividing fraction problems is we're actually going to rewrite them as multiplication problems using the keep, change, flip strategy. And so what do I mean by that? We keep the first term. So we changed 4 to 4 over 1. We changed the second term, so it's no longer division. We change it into a multiplication problem. And then we flip the second term. And so 1 over 2 I flipped, and it becomes 2 over 1. Now I have a multiplication problem, and I can just multiply as I normally would. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 4 times 2 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1. And so how many servings do I have? Well, I have 8 servings. So here's an example. Here's an example of a more traditional problem. So it's not a word problem, it's just saying what is 3/4 divided by 2/3? You'll see that down here I have our dividing fractions and mixed numbers steps. If I did have mixed numbers or whole numbers, I'd have to convert them to improper fractions, but in this case, I have 2 proper fractions. So I can go right to step 2, and step 2 says keep the first term. So I'm actually going to write the first term right underneath, and I'm going to keep it. Step number 3 says change the sign from division to multiplication. And so what changes? Well, the sign, it's no longer a division problem, it's now a multiplication problem. And then finally, we're told to flip. We actually call this the reciprocal. We take the reciprocal of 2/3, so we flip 2/3, it becomes 3 over 2, and then we can multiply as normal. So I'd say numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and I end up with 9/8. I'm going to simplify that to a mixed number, and so I'd say 8 goes into 9 one time. What's left over? 1 out of 8. And so my solution for 3/4 divided by 2/3 is 1 and 1/8.